Today we start the transformation of our driveway from a one vehicle driveway to a two. So I just thought I'd do a little video of it. This is going to be it here. It's going to be the same width as this one. We're going to have a double wide driveway for parking, and I will keep doing videos as we progress along the day. Okay, here we are. The guys are starting to remove some of the grass. That's Dave there in the background checking things out as part of his crew. Dave Riley Reynolds, that's what I call him anyway. He does have a company name. I can give you the link. And he actually did some nice stuff. He did build us a nice shower outside, and we had a pool that was leaking. He brought his other crew here that works on pools, and they found 7 different leaks, which was amazing. So I've been using Dave ever since, and I recommend him. And if you guys want more information about that, I'll just send you a link, or you can reach out to me. And if you talk to him, let him know that you saw this on this YouTube video that I'm putting together. Digging it all out so it's deep enough so that we can get the concrete and rebar in here. Okay, all framed up, nicely dug out. Just going to cut the line right down here so it's a nice straight line, and take that out, and then I'll be for our guests and extra toys, all that kind of stuff. So looking good, and I'll take some videos tomorrow as they put the concrete in. Okay, here we are at day 2, and they're breaking up some of the old concrete, so they're going to get a nice straight line down there. Look at the rebar mesh they're going to be putting in there, so you get to see the final quality of work. There's Dave right there, working away there. And yeah, I'll just keep adding more videos to see the final product. Okay, just continuing with the video here. Look at this, they're putting rebars into the old slabs so that it attaches right to the new one. So no shifting, nothing. Awesome, awesome work. So the cement concrete ready to go. This is going to be a very, very strong addition to our driveway. I will definitely be giving links to Dave Riley Renovations. Okay, here we are. Just packed up their stuff and just gotta let this all now dry and cure for a few days, and then we'll power wash all this, and we got a nice new extension to our driveway. So I'll give you the final when we get a final. Driveway's all done. Just wait a couple weeks to let it totally cure, and then we'll do a power wash, and got a nice new wide driveway. And we're just gonna trim a few big branches off here so the birds and all that don't do their thing, or the sap that's coming off the tree. There we go. We're all good.